guys, so I may have overdid the money glitch. If you don't know what it is, I don't know what it is either. Yeah! Skibbity. Oh yeah! Guys, I just found the infinite money glitch. Please subscribe. I have like 8 million right now. Almost 8 million. I think my game.
Yeah,
I think right, buddy. I think it's getting a little bit. So
Never get a
I'm
straight
kind
super
of
head.
Get out of your headset. Get out of your
Someone
headset.
sent me the
Get out of
infinite
your
money
headset.
glitch. I have like 20 million right now. So I can do whatever I want. For example, get back here.
What the?
What? How is Pink alive?
Guys, don't.
Bro said,
I'm kind
bro
of.
really said I'm a survivor.
I'm kind of rich right now. Look how much money I have. I have like
No,
20
bro said I'm
million.
a survivor.
Let me see.
Can I get a rocket launcher?
Let me see.
Hey,
I rocket
not
launcher.
survived by me.
Yeah. Take your rocket launcher.
I think I am the dumb in here.
Base answer. Boom!
Now I have. Yo, can you buy me a rocket launcher?
Who wants a rocket launcher? I give you away 3 rocket launchers because I'm rich.
Now it
Here's a rocket launcher.
Skeleton. Somebody in Motherfield.
Guys, do you want me to tell you how much money I have? I have 20,577,000.
I don't have one.
Let me see first.
I have 20,577,943.
Bro, I have 80 billion.
Okay,
I have
here's
80
your rocket
billion.
launcher.
Trust me. Hey, trust me, I have 80 billion. I have 80 billion.
Yeah!
On your side?
Bro, I have 80 billion. Look.
Where?
Guys, who wants to kill some little kids? Guys, who wants to go kill some
well,
little
actually,
kids?
you have like,
Please, sir,
hold on.
please, sir, give me a piece of that.
Hold on,
RPG.
let me see again, let me
Kill
see
some
again.
little kids.
You have
Hey, Blue, you wanna go
219.
kill some
Please, sir.
And I have 20 million.
You actually gave me a piece of RPG.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. I can't see.
I
You literally
have
gave
one.
me
Oh my
you.
God.
Give me everything. Give me everything. Give me everything.
No.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Give me everything.
No.
Yo, I don't think anybody wants to step out of safe zone anymore.
I don't have to mine again! Yeah!
Hold on.
What
Blue,
the
can you buy me a Sprite bottle? Can you buy
Rocket launcher! Yeah, someone show me the rocket and that new infinite money glitch.
I think that's
I got the infinite money glitch on
I
YouTube.
have like 10 rocket launchers.
How do I use it?
We can play Russian roulette all we want now, you know.
Buy me a Sprite bottle?
Yeah.
Buy me a Sprite bottle?
All I
Hey,
can
can I just... Wait.
Who wants me to? Who wants me to step out of safe zone or like absolutely nothing? Step out
Wait,
of
let me
safe
see.
zone.
Hold on, let me.
I'm gonna go to...
Bro!
I'm gonna go to heaven.
Alright, let me see. Let me see. Let me see if it's PvP. I don't.
Somebody kill me. Somebody
I
kill me.
don't-
Somebody kill me.
I
Somebody
don't really care. Let me.
kill me. Somebody kill me. Somebody kill me.
I need a. Hold on.
Here, I can kill you.
Yes. Murder me. No, please. I don't want to die. I'm a cat.
Do you want to see how much money I have? Do you want to see how much money I have?
Yeah, well, cats are one of the fastest animals in the world. So like,
I have 20,477,000 and I don't know, whatever.
who wants this? Who wants this?
No, you have one loaded.
Okay, go fetch, doggy.
Yeah!
Do you want another one?
Yeah!
Another one?
Yeah!
You want another one? Go fetch.
Give me it. Hey, Blue,
Oh, you want it? You want this? Yes. Hey, buddy, you want this?
I'm not modding. I promise I'm not modding. I'm not modding.
Buddy, you want this?
Can you give me
Yeah, this is PvP.
No. You want this?
Yeah, this is PvP. I see blood there. I see blood.
Nah, I
there.
already got one that I can fetch my own self.
Hey, I kind of
Cooking with
Yeah.
Jacob.
Hey, this is-
Cooking with.
Wait, please, Mr. Sir, please, sir, give me a piece of RPG, sir.
Oh, hey, Jacob!
My
Yes.
piece of RPG.
Zoski, what do you want?
Step out or you will get blown up.
Yeah, I want to get blown up.
Step out, or you will get blown up.
20K. Who wants to make 20K? Yo,
I got 20
Don't
million.
kill me because I'm.
yes.
I don't know how I did
I'm
it.
a cat.
Look
and
at
I'm
that.
Please, just don't.
How'd I land up here?
I don't want to die.
How'd I end up here?
I don't want to die. I said I don't want to
Who
die.
wants a
I'm not gonna
rocket
die. I'm
launcher?
not gonna.
Here's a rocket launcher.
You own the mega bat?
Here's a rocket launcher.
This is what I think of you. Yeah, you could do it.
Here you go.
Your backpack.
Wow, I'm on.
Take the bargain.
Oh yeah, let's go. Send me.
I am packed up to go.
Give me one, 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 give me one.
Guys, can I do
Okay, I'm Take the RPGs.
I'm not getting any. This is not fair. Oh my god, finally.
No, I ran out. I ran out. No.
I'm gonna duplicate.
Wait, bro, I'm lagging. Stop.
Yeah, I want to duplicate too.
No.
I have a loaded
Yo,
This is
So
a
to see how much money you have.
I have an RPG that's loaded.
Okay.
yo, we just killed this
You wanna join
monkey.
me? You're gonna join me, right? Okay.
I'm gonna join you.
Do you want some money? I have 20
You want a pop?
million.
You want a cupcake?
I have 20 million.
You want a cupcake?
Because of a random glitch.
Eat it. It's a cupcake.
Dann darfst du ein normales Spiel einfach.
I got today's.
Bro, skeleton, what the frick?
We bring the bomb!
Yo, buy me RPG, please.
Okay,
Yo, can you buy
God.
me skeleton? Yo, can you buy me shotgun ammo? Can you buy me shotgun ammo?
Have a look. 1 pound fish.
I don't think I have the shotgun. I don't know how to get it. I don't know how to get infinite
Can you give me a
research
backpack?
points.
Can you give me a backpack? Can you give me a backpack?
I don't have the blue backpack. I focus
No,
on.
like any backpack.
Okay, take the ego backpack.
I'm still grateful, thank you.
You're
No, why you
welcome.
stole it? Why you steal my backpack? You stole my backpack.
Oh,
the back's so sad,
boy.
Low tape reveal.
Not this bad.
Oh, rocket launcher. Lightsaber flame is massive.
Who wants a big sword?
I can buy it.
Backpack. I want a backpack.
I can buy it for you guys. I'm rich.
Who wants a big sword? Who wants a big sword?
I have 20. Guys, I'm 20 million anyway. I can buy you whatever you want. Whatever I have.
Can you buy me rocket ammo? Can you buy me rocket ammo?
Alright, let's go back.
Rocket launcher ammo.
Yeah. I need.
Hey, can you buy me a grab block? Can you
Who
buy me a
wants
grab block?
drugs?
No.
Drugs. Who wants
He
this?
took my rocket ammo.
Yo, can you
He
buy me a
took my rocket
backpack?
ammo.
Can you buy me a
He took
backpack?
This is drugs.
He took my rocket
This is drugs.
Give me a backpack. Give me a
Who
backpack.
wants this? This is drugs. This is drugs.
Please buy me rocket ammo. Please buy me
Okay,
rocket ammo.
God.
You want this? You want this?
I wanna do drugs.
Yo,
Just
where's
take the rocket ammo.
Keep smoking. Where's
They
the guy
took my
that keeps
rocket
smoking a
ammo.
lot?
They took my rocket
Yo, give me
ammo. Please.
backpack.
Oh,
Give me backpack.
Do drugs.
Give me.
I want to introduce you.
Yo, give me
Who wants
backpack.
a vote?
Oh yes.
Me, I do.
Yo, buy me a backpack.
you, bro. Oh my god.
I need
What
more
the hell
rocket
is this?
ammo.
Is this so big and long?
Please, I need more rocket ammo. I need more
Yo,
rocket
buy me a
ammo.
backpack.
Give me
Oh wait,
rocket
never mind.
ammo.
Don't
Who
buy me
wants
a
to play
backpack.
red light, green light? Ohio Sigma, I have Ligma. Ohio Sigma, I have Ligma. Ohio Sigma. Oh my god.
Hey, yo.
Thank you.
Guys, who wants to create the biggest boom of all time?
Me. Yo, Buddy
Alright.
Rocket Launcher.
Go
Buddy
ahead
Rocket
if you want to make
Buddy
the
Rocket
biggest
Launcher.
boom of all time.
Hey, man. Give me a rocket
Okay.
launcher.
So
Red
this-
Watch in 2025. Gonna be me, bro.
Just take this. Just take all.
Yo, what do you rocket?
Bro, I'm not getting one.
Bro, I got crashing out. Oh my gosh.
No, I cannot find my own now.
Literally,
I need one.
Can someone
I
buy
literally
it?
got so much
Oh, I don't know
I
anymore.
need a big.
I'm moving, guys. I want to sit down too.
I guess
I need one. I need one.
I have to buy some ammo.
I need one, bro.
No!
Okay. I want
Bro,
some.
can I
I want
buy
some,
any-
please, bro. I need one, bro. I need one. Pass me the solo, bro.
I don't think I can buy anything else.
Pass me a rocket launcher ammo.
Why can't I buy anything
Everyone's got their
else, dude?
RPGs.
How, do I still?
on.
I still have 20 million.
Skeleton.
I cannot buy it.
Hey, Red Watch!
Skeleton.
Get back here!
The heck?
Skeleton, you want smoke? You want smoke? Oh, yeah, you want to smoke again?
Yeah.
Add me.
Okay, I'll add
me,
you.
please.
I'll add all of you. I'll add all of you.
My name is Jeffy. My name is Jeffy
can I
One.
have
My name is
RPG?
Jeffy One.
Jeffrey.
My name is Jeffy One.
RGP.
Do you want? Wait, Blue. Do you want to be added? Do you want me to add you? Okay.
Can I be added? Can I be added? Yo, let me add you. Let me add you.
Okay. What yellow are you? Are you the only yellow? Are you Angelo?
Yes.
Are you Angelo?
Yeah, I'm Angelo. Yeah, I'm Angelo.
There you go.
Okay.
Congratulations!
On the
Massive most afraid man.
Wait,
Yeah,
skeleton, skeleton.
all of you
skeleton,
guys
skeleton,
are in my room.
I'll get my move right back. I'll get my
Give
move
me
right
a rocket
If I
launcher. Give me a rocket.
Yeah.
Give me a rocket
Thank you,
launcher.
bro,
Give
thank
me a
you.
rocket launcher.
Bruh.
I don't play
Give
this
me-
game, so I don't.
Give me a rocket launcher.
Okay.
Give me.
Turns out I'm not losing.
Give me that.
What do we all
Oh,
bring?
nigga.
What do we all bring? We bring the bomb!
Pay by more. Pay by more.
Give me my
Yes, sir.
Bro, he ran out of money, bro. No.
No, I went down to. No, I lost 20 million. Just joking. I still have 19 million. Yeah!
Have a sword fight. Let's go.
Buy
Let's
more.
have a sword fight.
Buy pumpkins. Buy pumpkins.
Alright, guys.
Please don't leave me.
Okay.
Yo,
Who wants to join a private code? Who
Me.
wants to join a private code?
Hey, baby shotgun.
I'm sorry.
Baby shotgun.
No, my headset's very low. Alright. I'll get you added instead. Alright, let me see.
Bye. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, what are you?
Brother. And daddy.
Are you Brandon 4711? Is your name? Is that you?
Yeah.
Bro, really has to steal my backpack.
How are you?
Ever.
Bro, you need to steal my backpack.
What? Does anyone want to go flying right now? Guys, I don't have a load taper. Guys, does anyone want to get load taper fade with me?
Get that a low taper.
He's killing my brother. You missed Bow Wow.
Guys, no! What end up here? Does anyone want free RPGs?
I want this ray gun. Okay.
Okay.
If you want this ray gun, come on.
I'm Red Watch! Did you like this video? All of you did, sir, because new videos on tomorrow. Yeah! Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. No, just subscribe. That's a